Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to remove someone from accessing your share file in Google Drive. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I'm going to use a particular file right here. So what you need to do is to make sure if you take a look at this particular file here, you find out that this file here was shared with about 2 people right here. Now, how can you remove someone from sharing your file? So for that, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on these 3 dots right here. So when you click on these 3 dots right here, go ahead and make sure you look for share right here. Then go ahead and go back to share right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click up here and then make sure you click on remove access. So just like so, you can see it has been struck through the contact. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on save right here. And with that, you have removed access to this particular contact from your Google Drive. Let's go ahead and refresh the Google Drive page. Just like so. So by the time you go back, you find out that the person will not have access to your file in Google Drive. You can add as many as possible to find someone into the same file in Google Drive without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.